Hey there, welcome to my channel. This is my macros for the day. Holy smokes, I hit 2,000 calories. Oh boy. Anyway, stay tuned to see what I ate. Y'all, tomorrow, oh man, you know what? If you can't get excited about what you're eating, you are on the wrong eating plan and eating the wrong kind of foods. I'm telling you. Okay, tomorrow, let me show you what we got. This is the au gratin potatoes that I made last weekend. I'm so stinking excited. I can't wait to see how that's going to be. And I wrote on here, rutabaga plus 1 table of heavy whipping cream and a half serving of cheese. So I know what I'll need to plug into Chronometer tomorrow. Whoop, whoop. It's going to be so good. I don't have to add anything to that. I get my big shovel spoon, and I got my egg muffin. I have to get the air out, because after you freeze them, when it defrosts, it kind of gets a little gassy. Okay. Ooh, it's salsa. Let me think here. So I'm going to put in some everything bagel seasoning. I'm going to put in some adobo. Where's my adobo? Some adobo seasoning. And I'm going to do a little of the smoked paprika. I think that's all I'm going to do. I might add salt tomorrow when I get to work. But yeah. So that's it. That's what I'm taking for lunch tomorrow. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now listen. In my last video, look how flat my hair is after wearing that hat today. Anyway, in my last video, I showed y'all what was in my freezer. Well, the dogs are almost out of their broth. So I pulled 3 things of the 93% ground beef. No, 2 of the 93, 1 of the 73% ground beefs. So I pulled those out. And I'll cook some of that at this weekend. I also have a work party to go to on Saturday. I'm going to eat before I go. They're having some really great things, but not things that I should be eating. It's kettle beef. I told y'all that's a big thing down here. Kettle beef, mashed potatoes, I think green beans, some kind of pasta house salad, and fried chicken. So I might have a piece of fried chicken after pulling off the skin. As much as I love the skin, and I'm not afraid of chicken skin, but I don't want it with the broth or with the batter on it. So anyway, so yeah, so that'll be our work Christmas party. So I'll eat before I go, and then maybe I can nibble on a piece of chicken and some salad so that I don't feel, you know, all deprived or anything. I'm sure they'll have plenty of desserts. I think it's an open bar. I don't even handle caffeine very well because I bounce off the walls. So the last thing I need to do is drink alcohol at a work function. I'd be like, zoom, 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 zoom. So anyway, yeah. So, so Saturday, it's going to be kind of weird. I'll be doing some meal prep and then going to the party. Sorry, my alarm went off. So Saturday, I'll be doing some meal prep and then going to the work party. And then Sunday, I'll be doing some meal prep. So it's all going to be kind of blended in together. So I don't really know if I'll upload a video on Saturday. I may do some cooking Saturday and then some cooking Sunday and put it all together. So I'm not dead if you don't see a video on Saturday. It just means I didn't get done in time to edit the video. So, okay, I'm going to get this food in the refrigerator and I'll see you in the morning with my coffee. This is the treats I have to give out in the morning after they eat their breakfast. Lou, Callie, come here, girl. Sam, come here this way, folks. I'm Baxter. Okay, now I can make my coffee. That's a nice shot of my boobs, huh? I've got the coffee heated up. Now I just got to put it into my dealie. I can't remember which one of you all said that I give my microwave door fits. You're not joking. I just slam that thing and don't think anything about it. So Sorry, Mr. Microwave. You do a good job, though. Put up with me. I've only had to have 2 microwaves since I moved back here in 2011. That's not too bad. Sing It pointed out, with this microwave, I just hit the number 2. With the old microwave, I always put 222. Whenever she's going back to watch my old videos, and she's like, aha, there. Now you have to do 2 minutes and not 222 because you got a new microwave. Like, yep, exactly. That's pretty potent. I'm using the dadgum alarm clock. That's the I'm no longer, well, this is one of the 2 that I made up over the weekend that's made of the Taster's Choice. Until now I've been using that espresso to use it up. Well, there's probably a little sweetness in it or something, because it that's better, because this was a lot more smooth and this is a lot more coffee. So, alright, goodbye, off to breakfast. Good morning, it's breakfast time. I've got my egg muffin and I microwaved it for about a minute and put it in a bowl. It's funny, it gets spongy and stuff just like a regular muffin. Of course it tastes like egg, but it's funny how it puffs up like a regular muffin. Ow, hot. Okay. See you at lunchtime. Hello. Today, I've got my ground beef that I made up last night that I'm spilling out onto the floor because it's a full. Let's see. And I've also got my this was the au gratin type rutabaga. Let's see. I got 2 coworkers here and they tasted it and they said it was good. So not just me and my, so that way I've had 2 people, they're not keto or anything. So they thought it tasted good. And so I think they're both honest enough they wouldn't lie to me. So au gratin rutabagas, it was the win. Let me just show you how it looks whenever Terry goes grocery shopping. Over here, we have 18 rolls of Charmin. We have 2 of these 4 boxes of lotion nose puffs. Then down here, I had to get, we got our dog food. That one over there is for my allergy dog. That's for the other 3. Usually I just get 1 every other time, but I got off, so I had to get 2 this time. Now, let's look through what we got here. All of this was like $390, I think. So we've got eggs. We got 18 eggs, like 2 of them, and then another pack of 18. Got those. And I got to put these in my bag of bags. And we have, look at this big rutabaga. It said rutabaga. No, wait, is this the jicama? No, that's the jicama. I got 1 jicama and then a bunch of rutabaga. So that's a jicama. Got some mild pico de gallo. We have some sliced mushrooms. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, and what this is zucchini blend. I got these because, let me tell you, I've been kind of gassy. And I know it's either the rutabaga or the cabbage or maybe a little of both. So, well, I've not given up the rutabaga yet. So I'm going to cut out the cabbage, and I'm exchanging it for this zucchini blend. It's green and yellow zucchinis. And what I used to do, I would take one bag, and it says one bag is 3.5 servings. So yeah, so I've got all these all tossed in my freezer, and I'm going to be using these in my meal preps. So you're going to see more of these because, you know, the whole tootin' thing. However, these used to be $1 at Walmart. Now they're $1.75. But, you know, everything's going up. So let me put these in the freezer. More dog stuff. I got these dog chews. And then I got, some sun-dried tomatoes. That is for my egg muffins. I have to make some more of those this weekend. We got some, so I got some of these powders so I can try making that electrolyte stuff like we were talking about. They're out of my 400 milligrams magnesium, so I had to get something a little different. Got some deodorant. Got some plenty of gum. Yeah, I like the big pack, but they didn't have them on all of them, so I had to get a bunch of these little packs. So got my gum. We have some ricotta cheese for the lasagna we're gonna make, and then some chili powder. I told y'all I was running low. Got our cocoa, so that way we can try to make Element. I'm gonna call this one for Element, and these I'll say for Relight. I got some chicken broth, and not really sure why, but I got them. I got some aerosol duck fat. You know, you have all of the, oh my gosh, Terry, like the canola oil and the avocado oil. I know avocado oil is wonderful, but I got some duck fat, some sprayed duck fat. So it's an aerosol. So we'll see how that works. More of the dog treats stuff. Dog stuff. Oh, I got 3 rutabaga. I've been introducing my coworkers to rutabaga, and my coworker said, I told her, I took a video. Well, they had the jicama in the rutabaga section, so I didn't notice it at first. So I sent a video of all the rutabaga in there, and she was like, okay, I'm gonna go after work. Well, as I got to looking, it was jicama and rutabaga. So I bought the only 3 rutabaga. But I told her if she wants rutabaga, because she said she might go to Schnucks or the same Walmart I did. I said, if you don't have it, you drive by, I'll bring one out to you. She can have one of my rutabagas. But I wasn't going to just leave one by itself. That's just not how my brain works. If there's only 3 there, I had to have all 3. Just, that's how my brain works. I bought another one of these. This one is strawberry orange banana for making the Relight. Some smell good stuff. Some Gain plug-in. I like these at work. Another one of these. This one's strawberry watermelon. And these say there's 30 servings. So 30 servings per container. So serving is 1/5 of a packet. So what I'm going to try is 1 packet and then do 5 servings of salt and 5 servings of no salt. And then I got some pepper and onion blend. I got these because, you know, I like that with my steaks. And if I'm going to be making steaks this weekend, I want to make some of these up. And what I'm going to do, hold up. So I don't throw things away. And in the past, I used to use these, and I would put like meat on this side and the vegetables on this side, so I can use those zucchini in one side and meat on the other. I have that version, and then I have this version. So yeah, so I broke these out because I figured this weekend I can use that for my meal prep. And if I make some kind of fried these or whatever, you know, these all get cooked. so or heated up in the microwave. These just were not handy whenever I took cold with it, like cold lettuce or pickled vegetables, but they would be handy with something hot. So anyway, so I'll do like some in these containers, and I'll do some in just the individual containers. So okay, now I got to put all this away, and then it's time for supper. All right, let's do the liver. Callie first. Take it. Take it. Good girl. Then Wild Man. Lou. Sammy. Callie. Oh, she doesn't like it. You don't want it, sis? It's the same thing. She's just going to take it and plop it on the floor. The boys, though, they're like more. Okay. Sammy's going to eat hers. I'm sorry, sis. This is what it is. If you don't like it, you don't get any. That's all there is to it. Here, I can take that little bite. Take that little bite and pull. Okay, she wants little bites. Hang on. Unlike me, she's a lady. Here you go, Callie. Little bite. There he goes. All right. Lou. Sammy. Okay. Here's another lady bite. Where you at, Callie? Another lady bite. Here you go, Wild Man. No fighting. No disagreements. You take that outside. Get back, Sam. All right. I'm going to cut this up into 3 bites. So one more, not for Callie. Good girl. Lulu. And Sam. All right. And I'll let her lick it. Don't get your face in there, Sam. She wants to lick it. Yeah, I'll let her lick the bowl. Then it's all going in the dishwasher, so I promise I don't eat out of this. But, so yeah. So that was some liver for them, and they enjoy it. I just forgot she likes little bites. So, okay. We're at a weird angle because I got stuff going on over there. So I've got some, it's like mashed rutabaga for supper. And some steak, peppers, and mushrooms. So that's going to be my supper tonight. And yeah, so that's what we got. I don't have to season it up because it's already done. So there's my supper. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow. Remember, stay tuned. Tomorrow's a big day. Tomorrow, like I said, I got my work Christmas party. So I think tomorrow what I'm going to do is the meats. And then Sunday, save Sunday for the lasagna and the rutabaga experimenting. Because I want a long time frame to do it in and not have to worry about stopping to take a shower and stuff. So Saturday, plan on seeing the meat and the tallow, stuff like that. But Sunday will be the meat or the rutabaga and lasagna and frying and deep frying and air frying and stuff. So we'll save that from Sunday. Okay, bye. Somebody was asking for the link to this article, but you have to subscribe. So I just took a picture of it. So if you want to push pause, you can read. That's the article that was written about me in May in our local newspaper. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.